Hey guys, welcome to another vacation video. And today we're at Lawrence Farms Orchards, and we're going to a tractor which will pick us up to go inside the ride to the cherry orchard, which we should carry some things like, I don't know, cherries. And we're waiting for our turn, which is now. I think we can go now. We're going. Okay, just go up and away. My good gosh, Lord. Who knows what happened? And here's the tractor. The tractor looks nice, much, and we will move some minutes, like the train video that it got popular. Yeah. The reason why I didn't post a full video of the train video, one, it took so long, like 1 hour and 22 minutes. Two, I couldn't download it, but I'll try to download it. All right. So we're gonna move. We're just waiting. And we're gonna take a ride to the cherry orchard. The driver going inside the tractor, and I think we're off. And we're driving. We're driving. Woo-wee! We're going down the hill to the near the pond, and wow, there's another tractor too. It's bumpy. That's why my camera's shaking. And here's the animal village. It looks pretty nice. And there's a church. We should. And we see the pond right here. And we would see the ducks right here. Okay, here's the pond, and here's some like boats. I think we're just trying to go bumpy. Let's get some cherries. Okay, down there, we're turning right. Good cherry. There's some like dust. Oh, there's some dust going on. Oh, that is pretty much dust. And we're almost there to the cherries, I think. Going on. We might get some blueberries on the way. Ooh, we're going down. Ah! Hey. Yo. Almost got hit by a tree. Almost there. Here we go. Wow. Ow. Ow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. And we're here. Let's go. Okay, guys. Let's go pick up cherries. Okay.
And if you want to go back that way to like blueberries, you can just hop on when you come back. Yep. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Alright. And we're here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.